Hi and welcome to Tags Direct. This video is an introduction to our die cut or shape swing tags and answers to the most frequently asked questions we get about them. So what qualifies as a die cut tag? Well, the answer to that basically is anything that can't be, that isn't a square or a rectangle. So it can't be cut with our guillotine, which looks like this. So anything that can't be cut like that has to be die cut. A quick caveat to this is the chamfered corners or round corners. So this particular tag here has got round corners, and this particular tag here, these are called chamfered corners. We've got special machines that do this day in, day out, so you don't have to make a cutter for that. So how are they made? So if you can imagine a pastry cutter cutting out jam tarts when you're a kid, it works exactly the same way. We have to make a cutter or a die, which the terms are used interchangeably, and this is pressed against the card to cut it out. The cutters look like this. As you can see, this one's a heart shape. This one was a tag we did for a guy in Wales. I think it was a very, very fancy shaped tag. As you can see here, all the little intricacies here. If I turn it round, you can actually see the blade of it, and the reason it's got this sort of red protection really is just to stop us cutting our fingers when we pop it into the machine. A typical machine that we would set up to press the cutter against the card would look like this. And how it works, the cutter would basically press against the card and there would be some waste around it, and it would punch it out, and we would press the relevant shape out of the card. So what shapes can we do? On the product page there's a picture showing all the cutters that we have at the moment, so we can do these shapes cost effectively. This is changing all the time, so if you want to give us a call and check if we can do your particular shape, then do so. What if I want a different or bespoke shape? That's no problem. However, because we don't have the cutter for your particular shape, if we haven't got it, we need to get one made, and this can be expensive if only a low quantity of tags is required, as we still have to buy the cutter whatever quantity we produce. Can I get a sample? We can send out samples of tags we've done for other customers, so whatever shapes we've got on the shelf, that's no problem. But in terms of your specific tag, we'd need to make the cutter, which is expensive. We can do it, it's a chargeable service, but drop us an email or give us a call and we can quote that for you. So who's a typical customer? Well, there's no typical customer as such. A recent example was for 5,000 Christmas tree tags we did with string, so the kids could write their Christmas wishes on. We've also done a range of die cut logos for specific companies, as well as, for example, hotel door hangers. None of it's a problem, but do remember we have to make the cutter if we don't have the one you require. In terms of what you can print on a tag, basically you can have any background colour, so totally full colour, all your logos, and we've got a full range of materials we can die cut out for you. If in the meantime you need any help or advice with your swing tag requirements, or even just a sample pack, you can either email, call or use live help, and either myself or one of the team will be able to assist you. Thanks for watching.